If you're looking for the best way to get real estate leads flowing into your system fast, the automated property boost option in the marketplace in the system is the way to go. My name's Ryan with Inside Real Estate, by the way, and I just want to do this quick video to talk about why it makes sense to go with the automated property boost option, maybe even versus going with the a la carte one-off property boost option that you'll see in the marketplace. And the biggest reason why, for my money, is that you want consistency. You want systems in your business, stuff that just kind of works whether you are or not. And one of the reasons why we end up with peaks and valleys, they call it, right, in our pipeline, is that we turn on and off our lead sources. Another big reason is if you're installing Property Boost or marketing, more specifically marketing on Instagram and Meta, as something you're promising all your sellers as you get listings, then you're going to want to just have it be something that happens. So you don't have to remember to do it every time or have somebody in your staff on your staff remember to do it every time. But let's talk about what automated property boost is, and the story starts with what a regular property boost is. In case you don't know, this is where you can come into the system and pretty much advertise in just a few minutes any property that you have listed or any property that you have permission to market. That's a key thing here. If you don't have listings, you can go ahead and talk to somebody else at your office or talk to your broker and get permission to advertise anything. So I'm going to go ahead and click next here. I've chosen a property, and you'll see what you can do. You can choose to do a just sold. You can do a price reduced, an open house, a new listing ad, and it kind of changes the creative for you right off the bat. You can choose which, if you're an admin, you can choose which agent you want the leads to go to, or which site it's running off of. You can change your targeting to be in your market, or if you know that people might want to move to your market from other places, you could run the ad in that market and have people opt in. So in my market personally, St. Petersburg, Florida, a lot of people come from up north when they're cold. So over the winter, it's a great time to run those ads up there. So Property Boost is a really good way to generate fresh leads around your listings. And the key thing about it, the main thing with respect to the system, is that you get name, email, and cell phone. And the reason why this is so important, and the reason why so many people have had success with Property Boost since it kind of launched, it had to be like 2017, 2018, maybe earlier. The reason it's been such a successful thing for so many agents is that name, email, cell number, as the leads come in, you can use the system's smart campaigns to automatically reply with texts, emails, and if you send the right text, as those leads come in, you can get anywhere from 15 to 35 or 40% of people. We had one office where I had my license that generated thousands of these types of leads off Facebook. It was something like 3,000 or 4,000 leads and consistently had a 32% response rate to the initial text. So that's the biggest reason why people are opting in around listings, and then the auto text gets them into conversation with you, which is what we want. But I'm kind of going on a tangent here. So that's the regular Property Boost. Name, email, phone number injected into your database, automatically responds, generate conversations. The problem with doing it one-off, as I probably have said already in this video, is that you're going to forget to do it for every listing. And that's where automated Property Boost comes in. I want things in my business that just happen, right? And automated Property Boost will basically take any of your new listings and it'll run that whole process. It'll drop them right into Meta and in Instagram, start generating leads for you, name, email, cell phone, consistently every time you get a new listing, so that your pipeline is always full and so that you're always getting into those conversations. So definitely consider automated Property Boost. If you don't have enough listings or you feel like you don't have the budget for it, well then regular Property Boost is completely fine to do as well. And then I'm pretty sure that you can integrate Property Boost and similar stuff that I'm talking about here, this automation, in with the Leads 360 packages that kind of take all this to the next level and get you an additional layer of follow-up and Google pay-per-click and stuff like that if you want to check that out as well. But definitely consider automated Property Boost and Property Boost if you're looking for a way to just keep your pipeline full, fresh leads flowing in. And then the big thing that I'll caution is if you're going to use Property Boost or any other ad source, definitely take the steps to configure your automated follow-up that's attached to that source, okay? So if you need to know how to do that, we have lots of documentation. You can comment down below and say, Ryan, how do I set up that smart campaign? We actually have pre-built campaigns, share codes that we can give you just to give you the basics. The bottom line is it's really just about having a quick text or two and maybe an email in the beginning that gets people talking to you. And then over the longer term, if you're setting up property alerts automatically, there's some automated stuff you can do to make sure that these leads convert. But definitely check out Automated Property Boost today. It's in the marketplace. Just go to the marketplace. You'll see it there. It'll be one of the first few tiles. And I'll try to provide a link near this video. Thanks for watching here today from Inside Real Estate. This has been a video about how to get leads, fresh leads flowing into your real estate database quick.